The first growth hack strategy. Go to the most popular hashtag in your niche. Niche defines the particular subset, like gym, aerobics, and so on. Either following or not following, it doesn't matter, but checking out the recent post do matters. Remember the digital growth hack strategy. Like, comment on at least 50 of them so that the Instagram followers and page insights will grow organically. According to the growth hack strategy of the digital marketing, Instagram followers should be appropriate till the 30 days when the Instagram users post at regular basis with every 2 to 3 stories every day, one post and once a week IGTV, and going live for 30 days once in a week. This helps the Instagram algorithm just to make the page insights upper level and show the page into an audience. Remember that we have to understand the algorithm of Instagram. So, according to the algorithm of Instagram, do the following steps and you will be seeing the changes in next upcoming 30 days. Repeat this every day. You will be gaining the followers and page insights, and you will be notifying and analyzing all. So let's wrap it up. 502 growth hack strategy of Instagram. Do the most popular hashtag in your niche. Check out the most recent post. Like, comment at least 50 of them. Do at least a post, 3 of the story, once an IGTV, once a live every week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.